Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SoFi to track credit monitoring and insurance add-ons, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect SoFi for credit monitoring and insurance add-ons, begin by opening the SoFi app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the credit monitoring option in the menu. Tap on credit monitoring to access the service. You may need to provide some personal information for verification. Follow the prompts to securely link your credit report. Review any terms and conditions presented before proceeding. After linking your credit report, you will gain access to your credit score. Next, locate the insurance section within the app. Select insurance add-ons to explore available options. You will see various insurance products listed, such as life and auto insurance. Choose the insurance product that interests you. Follow the on-screen instructions to get a quote or start an application. Enter any required information for the insurance product you selected. Review the details and confirm your selections. Once completed, your insurance add-ons will be connected to your SoFi account. You can now monitor your credit and insurance status directly through the app. Check back regularly for updates on your credit score and insurance offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.